Another way to keep pests at bay is by using companion planting techniques. This method involves growing certain plants together that help deter pests. For instance, planting marigolds among your vegetables can deter nematodes and other pests, while basil planted near tomatoes can repel flies and mosquitoes. So consider companion planting not only for its pest control benefits, but also for its ability to enhance your garden's biodiversity. Now let's talk about DIY pest traps. You can create effective traps using simple household items. A popular one is the beer trap for slugs and snails. In addition to slugs, beer traps attract a number of other garden pests, including snails, earwigs, pincher bugs, and cutworms. We often find a variety of insects in our beer traps, but thankfully it does not attract any bees, ladybugs, lacewings, or other good guys that you want in your garden. Just fill a shallow dish with beer and place it at soil level. The smell attracts these pests, they fall in and can't get out. It's simple, yet effective. For flying pests like fruit flies, fill a jar with a sweet solution like sugar water, punch holes in the lid, and watch as the pests fly in and get trapped. And for those pesky aphids, a tape trap works wonders. Wrap a wide strip of tape around your hand, sticky side out, and pat it on the leaves of infested plants. The aphids stick to the tape and can be easily disposed of. The beauty of these pest control hacks is that they protect your plants without resorting to harmful chemicals.